Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friends, today I'm going to show you how you can change or set homepage into your Google Chrome. So friend, here you can see this is my Google Chrome, and here I'm going to change my homepage. So what I will do, simply click on this three dot icon which is available on the top, where you can easily customize your Google Chrome. So friend, here first of all click on this three dot icon, then click on the settings, and this is your setting page. And here what you will do, simply click on the search engine sidebar menu, and here you can see on startup. So on startup section, what you will do, simply click on open a specific page or set of pages. Then what you will do, simply click on this add new page. And friend, here I'm going to set a different page so you can get the perfect idea. For example, I'm opening any website, and that website I want to set as my home page. So friend, I can use youtube.com. that will be more easy to understand. So friend, this is YouTube, and right now whenever I open my browser, then this YouTube page will open automatically. Okay, so friend, here copy that URL. I copy first of all this URL and then paste over here and edit. And now we are going to check whenever. Right now I'm going to close this browser first and again open, and friend, you can see my home page is set now. So friend, whenever I open my browser, then YouTube page is open as a home page. And if maybe you want to change this home page, then what you will do, right now I'm going to set google.com. So friend, simply click on the settings and again click on this search engine, and then here click on this three dot icon and add it, and here simply add google.com. So friend, this is google.com, and here click on this save button and close this browser and again open this browser, so your home page will the Google search engine. So friend, this is the tutorial I want to share with you guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, click on this like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And friend, if you are coming first time on this channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel, because I am uploading this type of unique tutorial on my channel. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me.